Affiliate marketing for beginners. Step by step. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Affiliate marketing for beginners step by step. So make sure to watch the full video. What is affiliate marketing? Subsidiary showcasing is an interaction where distributors procure a commission by advancing an item or administration made by another retailer or promoter utilizing a partner interface. The auxiliary accessory is repaid a payout for giving a specific result to the retailer or marketing specialist. Ordinarily, the outcome is a deal. In any case, some subsidiary showcasing projects can compensate you for leads, free preliminary clients, snaps to a site, or getting downloads for an application. How do affiliate marketers make money? Member showcasing pay traverses an enormous range. There are some subsidiary advertisers that will make $200 or $300 each month and others that make six figures per year. The bigger your following, the more cash you can make as a member advertiser. Pay programming organization PayScale reports that the typical yearly compensation of a partner advertiser is more than $53,000, in view of north of 7,000 compensation profiles, with many associate advertisers procuring fundamentally more. Pay per introduce, where you are paid for each introduce produced from your site traffic. The objective of your substance is advance versatile applications and programming so that individuals download or introduce them. Pay per lead, which pays you each time someone seeks after something. It's a popular payout methodology since associations use it for sweepstakes, lead age, and various kinds of offers. Cost per lead offers are normal for novices since it's more straightforward to create drives than to offer items to a group of people. Pay per click, a fascinating payout structure where you acquire commission on each snap on your branch-off interface. Pay per click programs are utilized by enormous vendors with an objective to fabricate brand mindfulness. Clients don't need to join or buy anything, just to visit the dealer's site. The amount you make relies upon your member specialty. For instance, our research found that the most noteworthy normal commission rate, $70.99, was for business-related programs. While books and media and attire classifications procured simply more than $6 per commission. The most extreme typical commission we found was around $289.06 per deal. The most effective method to begin associate showcasing in 4 stages. Middle. Pick your foundation and strategy. Middle. Choose your specialty and crowd. Middle. Track down your items. Middle. Pick your most memorable associate program. Very much like maintaining your own private company, turning into a fruitful subsidiary takes commitment and discipline. Use the Join Little by Little manual for start your branch off displaying business. 1. Pick your foundation and strategy. The initial step is sorting out the stage you need to construct your crowd around. Each offshoot advertiser has an alternate methodology and stage. There are many member promoting thoughts you can browse in view of various strategies. Specialty subject and survey locales. These are destinations that survey items for a particular crowd or look at a line of items against their rivals. This technique expects you to make content connected with the survey space and post consistently to attract a group of people. Advanced content. Advanced content makers incorporate bloggers, YouTubers, or virtual entertainment forces to be reckoned with. They make specialty content that resonates with a vested party. The goal is to normally introduce specialty things their group will appreciate. This expands the possibilities they'll purchase and you'll acquire an offshoot commission. Courses, occasions, studios. Assuming that you're an instructor, you can coordinate subsidiary association offers into your occasions. Regardless of which course you take, genuineness and crowd building are the 2 most significant components for associate promoting. Number 2. Choose your specialty and crowd. With regards to picking a specialty, go for the gold energetic and proficient about. This assists you with seeming to be real and as a confided in wellspring of data for likely clients. It moreover helps you with evaluating which things and brands you really want to progress. Say, for example, you started a blog about canines. You own a Sprocker Spaniel and you're enthusiastic about assisting different proprietors with really focusing on their Sprockers. You make a blog like Sprocker Sweethearts, and you consistently present and urge individuals on buy into an email rundown and offer your substance. Sprocker Spaniels are your specialty, and you will put resources into content showcasing and enhancement to develop your crowd of proprietors. SERPs for programming, publicizing, and clinical consideration, for example, are obviously wrecked by colossal adding to a blog regions with a lot more prominent exhibiting monetary plans. The mystery is finding undiscovered regions where rivalry isn't as furious, and getting in there before others remember it. Number 3. Track down your items. To procure income as a partner advertiser, your crowd needs to interface with what you're talking about. The things or organizations you hoist ought to be things they genuinely care about. Getting this wrong can ruin your prosperity and reduce your believability, as well as your crowd. Another choice is to visit the sites of the items and administrations you use and like to check whether they have a subsidiary program. Huge organizations frequently have programs they advance on their site, for example, Amazon Partners or the Shopify Member Program. You likewise can adopt a more straightforward strategy. Contact the proprietor of an extraordinary item you go over and check whether they offer a partner showcasing program. In the event that they don't, they may be glad to set up a plan with you, for example, offering you an extraordinary coupon code to impart to your devotees. The best arrangements frequently are found when you're quick to ask and have an important conveyance channel, like moving toward the vendor of another wellness item in the event that you're a well-being and health blogger. Number 4. Pick your most memorable subsidiary program. As you conceptualize items or peruse subsidiary stages, the main measures to remember is that the item ought to be lined up with your crowd, or the crowd you desire to fabricate. A food blogger presumably wouldn't advance excellence items, for instance. Many different items, for example, cookware, feast packs, connoisseur fixings, or even covers would check out. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.